Everyone, welcome to English with Mr. Erik. Today we're going to read a short story. This is a reading comprehension, a special birthday gift. CFR level pre-A1, A1 level 1. If you like this video, you can download this free worksheet to improve your reading comprehension skill. You can find the link in the description box. Part 1. Story. This is Lily. She is turning 6 years old tomorrow. Lily is very excited about her birthday party. Her friends and relatives are coming to her birthday party. Her favorite birthday present is the big red box with white ribbons. Inside the box, Lily sees a big brown teddy bear. Lily is also very delighted to see her favorite cake and presents from everyone. It is the best birthday for Lily. Part 2. Practice. If you like this video, you can download this free worksheet. You can find the link in the description box. Please pause the video and start doing the paper before you continue watching the video. You have done. Please go part 3. Check and mark your answer now. Number 1. Birthday party. Number 2. Present. Number 3. Birthday cake. Number 4. Teddy bear. Number 5. Balloons. Number 6. Enjoying food. Number 7. Playing game. Number 8. Feeling excited. Number 9. Calendar. Number 10. Banner. Part 2. Match the correct halves. Question A. Lily is turning 6 years old tomorrow. Question B. Lily is very excited about her birthday party? Question C. Lily sees a big brown teddy bear. Question D. Her favorite birthday present is the big red box with white ribbons. Question E. It is the best birthday for Lily. Part 3. Answer the questions. Number 1. Who is turning 6 years old tomorrow? Lily is turning 6 years old tomorrow. Number 2. Is Lily going to have a birthday party? Yes. Lily is going to have a birthday party. Number 3. Who are coming to Lily's birthday party? A. Friends. B. Relatives. Question 4. What is Lily's favorite birthday present? Lily's favorite birthday present is the big red box with white ribbons. Number 5. What is another word that has the same meaning as happy? The word is delighted. Number 6. Does Lily see something inside the big box? What is it? Yes, she does. A teddy bear, a brown teddy bear, is inside the big box. Please repeat watching the video again to practice your reading and understanding skill. If you like this video, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more free English lessons.